going on, man? It's KP. I'm out here in this horrible weather, but it's all good because I had a deal come across my table that looks really good on paper. The deal is this: it's purchase price of a home is $172, and the ARV is around $320 to $340, and the wholesaler said it needs about $50,000 in work. I mean, the numbers are spot on if we get the low ARV at 320, because if you want to be in at 320 as far as the ARV, you want to be coming in around 70% LTV, which puts your all-in budget around, I think, 224. And if the purchase price is 172, that leaves about 52 for the rental budget. Stay in at that 70%. So if his numbers and my numbers align, we have a deal. But if they don't, then I gotta go back for a price reduction. Because although the ARV can be 320 to 340, I like to be optimistic but realistic. So I'm gonna go towards the lower ARV. Now 340 all day, the deal is a no-brainer. I mean, you can do this and make about $60,000. So what I'm gonna do is go walk through the house. I'm actually meeting some guys over here. The house is a house in Washington Park, neighborhood of Atlanta, which is a great location. It's right across from the park. And so when I get here, I'm just gonna quickly assess it, throw my numbers on it, and see what it does. Like, I really like the location, but the only thing more important than location in real estate is the numbers. Like, I don't care where the location is. Like, I can find a great house downtown Atlanta that may be in the prime location, like say right by the aquarium, and they want $2 million. Yeah, the location great, but the numbers don't work. So that's why I always say location is important, but numbers are way more important than location. Like purchase price, rehab budget, what you sell it for, those things are way more important than the location. I made it to the property. I'm here now. Gonna do a quick assessment of the exterior, let you know my thoughts. The siding looks good, so probably going to keep the siding, maybe repair some of it. As far as the exterior, I know the trim needs to be touched up, maybe the roof, porch rails, some of the windows. Overall, the exterior is pretty solid. Looks a little uneven, and we have some foundation work down here. But that's under the porch, so I think we may be good. So overall, I've already walked around this property and pretty much came with an exterior budget of close to about 12, maybe 15,000 on the exterior. Remember the numbers. So we're going to check out the inside. Man, someone already started working in here. The framing, electrical installation, and plumbing is up to code. I think it's a great deal. Even the ductwork. It's all brand new ductwork. So electrical has been rough. We save money there. All this insulation is brand new. Only thing left on the installation I see, fire caulking through all the holes in the 2x4s and framing. So I like the layout. Appears to already be a 3-2. So you walk in. You're in the living room. And they open this wall up here. That leads into what I would assume is the kitchen, which is a great entertaining space. The only thing I would do is, of course, vault these ceilings. So, as is layout, let's go over these numbers right quick. As far as the framing goes, get ready to go over these numbers in this current state to get it from now to the finish line if everything has already been done correctly and passed the inspection. I think the electrical may have $4,000 left on the electrical, maybe the same on the plumbing. Plumbing may be a little less because it's already been rough. I would say around $2,500 for the plumbing. To repair the subfloor, the foundation, it's coming in around $1,500 because it's not too bad, it's not uneven, it's just plywood floors right now. Put regular flooring down, 1,200 square foot home, about maybe $350 a square foot. So I'm gonna say around $4,000, $4,200 for the flooring. The kitchen, which is this space right here. I mean, disregard these old cabinets. We're not using any of these cabinets. That's trash. The complete kitchen, granite and countertops. Drop an island right here with the plumbing. $6,000. All right, the bathrooms. Finish both bathrooms. I'm gonna say $2,000 for the hall bath. $3,000, maybe $3,500 for the master. HVAC, $4,000, $4,500 to replace the unit since the ductwork is already here. Framing, well, looks pretty solid. Of course, we may have to add some headers here and there, bring everything up to code. Maybe add some hurricane ties. Well, they already have hurricane ties, so we may have to add them on every one. But it looks like it up in the front, so we're good with that. Just keep framing around $2,000. Sheetrock, the fire caulking, looks about maybe 150 boards. So let's just say $4,000.
So should we take this one? Give me a second. Yep, we took it, baby. Reason we took it, numbers work, location works. So it's time for us to get to work. Again, I'm KP. Subscribe to our channel. Like this video, please comment, and I'll see you on part 2 of the Washington Park project.